Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about my favorite deodorant, the Taos Aer. This is the best deodorant I have ever tried. I've tried multiple scents in it as well. This one I'm actually have been using is the extra strength. It is coming into summer here in Hawaii. It can get really humid, so I feel like a little bit more protection is what I need, and this has not failed me. I also suffer from hyperhidrosis, which is excessive sweating, and this deodorant has saved my life. I no longer worry about gigantic sweat patches, things like that. So this is I recommend it 100%. It is super easy to use and you really don't need a whole lot. Literally it comes out kind of like a cream and you just twist the bottom. That would be enough for me, and you go ahead and just apply it. As you can see, I'm doing it fresh out the shower because that's the best time for me. And then just one more twist and the other arm is done too. And it goes on really nicely and smoothly as well. So I love it. I 100% recommend it, but that's just my point of view.